All right, did you guys know that you can use ChatGPT to do mockups? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can do a quick mockup of a squeeze page or a landing page. So all I did was found something that I liked, which was this, and I said, okay, give me a mockup of something like that about my business. So it went in and it pulled all of this information in. Now, obviously that's not my picture, but all this other stuff is the same. So let me show you how easy it is to do that mockup. So I put it in there. All I asked was make the mockup. It created the image, and then I said, give me the text for the squeeze page. And now here is the text for all of that information. So now I can go into high level where I can go ahead and create a blank form. From here, I'll add the row, I'll add the column. I'm going to put in the headline. Let's take a look at the mockup again just to make sure we're keeping everything. And this is going to be for mobile, so we're going to keep everything simple. So let's go ahead and copy that. We'll go back to high level, and we'll go back and do a sub headline of this. Now, if you're using AI a lot, you're going to notice that it does a lot of dashes. So I'm just going to say remove dashes, because I don't want any of the dashes and I just want to be able to copy and paste it. Now, there are hidden characters in this. I'm aware of that, but honestly, this is just a very simple squeeze page. So now I'm going to go back, sub. Now I've got that in there. Let's see how it looks on the mobile, because I've clicked this mobile part. Let's drop this down just a tad, and we'll go ahead and make this even a little smaller. That looks pretty good. Let's make it like that. Let's do this one like this as well. Actually, let's keep that centered. I kind of like that centered. Go ahead and drop down so that looks good. All right, let's go back to this section. Let's look at it again. Okay, so now we need a form. So let's go ahead, and it says book your one-on-one strategy call. So I'm going to just copy that. And from here, I'm going to add a form. We don't have that form yet, so let's go ahead and create the form. We'll call this squeeze page form. Add the new squeeze page. Create. Squeeze page form. All right. We'll keep it like this so we can see how it looks. Get rid of that. And we'll get rid of this as well. Let's go ahead and change this button color. Kind of like that. Let's go ahead and put schedule my call. Make sure that it's centered. Okay, that looks good. First name, let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. Email. Let's keep the phone number in there. I want the phone number if we can get it. And we'll just say, go ahead and use ChatGPT and say, make it A2P compliant. Okay, there we go. This page will drop this off. Now, obviously, we're building this pretty quickly. You could add some other things in here, but we're going to go ahead and put this text in. Actually, let's do terms, and we'll replace those terms with the ones that we got from AI. And that looks good. Okay, we've got that. Schedule my call. Very simple. Let's just add one little graphic up above, or not a graphic, but some text. So the text is going to be up here. This text is going to say, let's go back to here, and we'll pull, let's add the little bullet. Okay, we've got that in there. Okay, and then we're going to make it like 15 bold. All right, that looks pretty good. First name, email, phone. By receiving this, schedule my call. I'm going to say, instead of schedule my call, let's make it more friendly. Let's do that. Book my free call. Chat with Joe. I like that one. Chat with Joe. So schedule my call. We're going to say chat with Joe. Perfect. So that looks good. Now I'll go ahead and save that. So we've got that saved. Now that that's saved, we'll go back here and let's see which one that came up. That's a different one. So let's hit save. Refresh. Sometimes when you're doing the forms, you got to refresh it before it'll pull up. Okay, that looks good. Now let's go back here. I think it was that one. There we go, chat with Joe. Okay, now we need just a little bit of spacing. So we'll give ourselves like 10 here. 10 here. All right, that looks good. Let's go back and look at this. Okay, so yeah, pretty simple. Now we need like a little, maybe a little line and then Joe. So what we'll do now is we'll go here and let's make this just a tad bigger. 15. Maybe make this 21. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Now we'll go ahead and add, let's add a graphic. So we'll go ahead and add an image. Go ahead and upload an image of myself. And we'll make it smaller. Even smaller. There we go. That looks good. And let's go back and see. Hi. Okay, so that's trying to decide. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. And then we'll add one more subheading. Go ahead and copy. Hi, I'm broker and advisor. Okay. And let's go ahead and bold this one. And then let's make it a little smaller. Maybe even a little smaller. Maybe a little bigger. No, I don't want it so big. Okay, we'll keep it like that for now. We'll go ahead and hit save. All right, let's look at this again and see. Learn, all right, did we put that in there? I didn't even know. Learn how smart by it. Yes, okay. And then let's go ahead and put this right here. And we'll put this as some text. We'll make it just a little bigger. Not quite that big. And let's go this way. Actually, maybe like that. And let's look at the flow again just to kind of see. Okay, there is just a little bit of a space. So there we go. And there you go. Put your name, information, boom. And there you go. That's how you can build a quick landing page.